In today's video, I'm going to teach you what does GPT stand for in ChatGPT. We'll unpack the three parts of the name, generative, pre-trained, and transformer, and see how they work together to power the conversations you have every day. Let's start with generative. Generative means the AI can create new content rather than just pulling existing text from somewhere. When you type a prompt, it produces text, ideas, summaries, and full responses that sound natural and human-like. That might be a helpful explanation, a concise summary, a short story, a conversation, or even code. The key is that it generates outputs tailored to your request, staying coherent with the context you provide. ChatGPT is designed specifically to deliver natural language responses, adjusting tone, detail, and style based on what you ask and how you phrase it. Next is pre-trained. Before you ever interact with it, the model is trained on large amounts of text data so it can learn grammar, patterns, and how context shapes meaning. This prior learning gives it a strong foundation to understand a wide range of topics and respond effectively. Because it has absorbed these patterns during training, it can recognize what you're asking, follow your instructions, and produce accurate, relevant answers more reliably. In short, pre-training boosts the model's understanding and helps it communicate more clearly right from the start. Now, transformer. Transformer is the specific AI architecture behind GPT. It helps the model pay attention to relationships between words and phrases, even when they're far apart in a sentence or spread across multiple messages. By tracking context throughout your prompt and the ongoing conversation, the transformer architecture makes responses more natural, coherent, and on topic. This is why ChatGPT can keep up with multi-turn chats and reference earlier details without losing the thread. Putting it all together, GPT in ChatGPT blends generation, extensive pre-training, and the transformer architecture to understand your prompt and predict the most useful next words. It doesn't think like a person, but it excels at modeling language patterns to deliver clear, conversational answers. As updates roll out over time, these conversational capabilities continue to improve. In practice, you can use ChatGPT for education, business, coding, and content creation. It can explain concepts, draft and refine writing, help debug code, summarize long documents, and brainstorm ideas. For best results, be specific in your prompt, include any necessary context, and state the format you want. Now you know exactly what GPT stands for and how it powers your chat experience.